Zoo in Dushanbe city, I think not the most, but maybe one of the most disliked in the world zoo. Why? You will see later in this video. So the area of the zoo is rather green. This is a central entrance. Yeah, but when you are inside, it looks like you are in big bazaar. You know. Okay, I understand Tajikistan is a red city, but anyway, there are different kiosks, small cafes, some some devices for children to play, and so on. So I mean, all the possibilities to spend money for parents. First of all the animals are in the cells. Yeah, not any glass. Forget of glass. Some animals are lucky, for example, like these camels or like these ducks, because their area is rather big. Yeah, or these two ostriches. That's maybe 30 to 30 meters. But cats are and bears are in very small cells. It's like prison. Can you imagine, for example, here two bears in the cell, maybe 3 meters to 3 meters. Yeah, it's crazy. And everywhere is cells. So you like in the prison. No, and animals are in the prison. Moreover, all of them are in such horrible conditions. I don't know why. For example, neighboring areas there are 2 deers, and the area, the space is rather big, really big. But here a tiger or a lion and 6-9 square meters area for so big animal, it's crazy. I don't know. Here squirrels or also under the cells. Maybe some people think that squirrels are very dangerous animals. So generally, as far as I know, the president of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmonov, promised, or he gave order to build up new zoo, but in the 2023 it's only plans and not any real actions. And this is exotarium or terrarium. Also, please look to these aquariums. Yeah, to have water and 2 small fishes. No comments. We can say, for example, here snakes are lying like on the pure concrete, no any sand. Some snakes are gracky, there is some artificial grass. But this snake, even no luck, no artificial grass, just concrete. So it's very pity that such zoos are still existing, but maybe it will change in the nearest future. Also in the areas of the zoo, it's amusement park. And I think for children there are all the conditions, but absolutely no conditions or horrible conditions for all the animals. So Dushanbe Zoo.